Okay, we're making some progress here. As you can tell by the tape, I've put 4 coats on, and I also put the trim along on this window here, so that's all set. So I'm really happy with the varnish. So what I'm going to do now, since I have 4 coats on, I'm actually going to sand this coat. I've let it sit for a few days. I'm going to sand it with some 320, and then I am going to wipe it down. I'm going to retape, and then I'm going to put probably another 2 coats on, 3 coats on of this high build varnish, and then I will put on the last coat or 2 of the regular varnish, the high gloss varnish. So that'll be the last coat. So we're looking really good here. I'm real happy with it. Welcome back. We hit a milestone. This is the 5th coat of varnish. This is right after I sanded everything with 320 and then cleaned it with some denatured alcohol, wiped it down, and then waited a day. Now I'm applying the 5th coat, which I just finished, and it's really outstanding. It looks really nice. That sanding that I did after the 4th coat, to me, is critical because you're starting to build hills and valleys in the wood. You have all the grain, and a lot of the varnish is settling down into the valleys in the wood. So that sanding kind of knocks down the hills to kind of make it a little more closely leveled with the valleys. So when I sand it, it kind of smooths it out a little bit. And this is also the 1st coat of full strength varnish. So as you can see, it looks really flat. I'm really happy with it. So the next coat will be tomorrow. It'll be another full coat, and then I will, on the 7th coat, will be the actual high gloss varnish at full strength, and then I'll let it sit for 3, 4, 5 days, maybe a week, and then sand it again. I'll block sand it again, and then I will apply the last and final coat of full strength high gloss varnish, and I will also sand the Dorad boxes and the hatch, and then I'll do the last coat together. Everything will have a nice high gloss finish. And this is not even the high gloss finish. This is the high build varnish, and that looks pretty glossy. So I'm real happy with this. I love the color. Unfortunately, it will not stay this color. The sun will bleach it. So that's where we are now. I just wanted to give you a little update. And if you want to see the method that I use, again, watch my previous videos from last year doing the toe reel. I have all the techniques that I used, and you can follow along there. And thanks again for watching. Okay, here we are again. It's been a while since the last video. It may seem instantaneous if I edited this with the previous video, but I have put 7 coats of varnish on, including 1 full strength high gloss, and I have sanded it last night, and I just wiped it down this morning, and I'm now going to be putting the last coat on. I sanded the entire Dorad box and hatch. They look good, so I'll be varnishing those as well. So this should be the last varnish for the Coachroof, and that'll complete the project after I take the tape up. Okay, I'm all done putting the 8th coat on, and I just want to show you my board here that I use to keep track of all my projects. So basically, that's pretty much all the hours that I've put into this job. And over here, I'm at coat 8. It took me about 3 hours because I had to clean up and wipe down and everything. So now I'm at 59 hours, so that's not a bad estimate. I estimated 50 to 60 hours, and I'm coming in pretty much exactly 60 hours because I probably have an hour left to take the mask off, the masking tape off, and assuming there's no holidays, I will be done about 60 hours exactly. So that was quite the project. So let's go take a look at how it looks. So that's coat 8. It's It's still wet, but it's all done. It's looking great. I'm real happy with it. I hope I don't have any sags. I mean, I probably will, but that's just the nature of the beast. But that's pretty much done. I'll take another short video once it's completed and dried and the masking tape taken off. I just wanted to give you a quick update. Thanks for watching.